Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to change your name in your Flybuys account. First, ensure you are signed in to your Flybuys account. Once logged in, locate the profile icon and tap on it. From the drop-down menu, select My Account, and then My Profile. On the Profile Details page, you will see your current name displayed. To edit your name, tap on Edit Details. Enter your desired name in the provided field and tap on Update to save the changes. Your name will be successfully updated, and the changes will be reflected across your Flybuys account. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.